Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator setup, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start setting up the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator, first, make sure you have the Steam app installed on your device. Open the Steam app on your smartphone. Log into your Steam account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap on the menu icon located at the top left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Steam Guard. Inside the Steam Guard section, tap on Get Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. You will be prompted to confirm your phone number if you haven't done so already. Follow the on-screen instructions to add and verify your phone number. After verifying your phone number, select Turn on next to the Mobile Authenticator option. You will be required to generate a confirmation code. This code will be sent to your registered email, so check your inbox for the message. Enter the confirmation code into the app to proceed. Once you enter the code, the mobile authenticator will be activated. Upon activation, you will receive a backup code. Make sure to write this down or save it securely. It's crucial to store this backup code safely, as it can help you regain access in case you lose your phone. Now you should see your Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator is active. You will receive mobile authentication codes that you will need for future logins. Remember that the mobile authenticator must remain enabled for security purposes. Finally, check your settings regularly to ensure your phone number and email are up to date. This completes your setup for the Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address. Then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.